What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm gonna be spray painting the side skirts black, like a little bit more of a glossy black. I spray painted the front lip black. That one came out pretty good. It's been about a month and it's holding up fine. I didn't have to sand it. There's no chips coming off. There's nothing wrong with it. So I'm really satisfied with the result of the front lip and how that came out. I'm gonna do the side skirts with the same spray paint. Luckily I bought more than enough when I did the front lip, so I can use that, you know, that leftover spray paint to do the side skirts. All right, so both the side skirts are completely off. Got the first coat on, but you can tell it has more of a shine to it compared to this side where it's pretty flat. So I was nervous about when I was gonna bend it, you know, if the paint would still stick, because I wasn't sure, but look, it holds up fine. Came out perfect for what I wanted, so let's go ahead and put them on. All right, so I got one side put on. A bit of a pain in the butt to put on at first because it's so bendy, so it's like flexes. So I'm gonna show you how I put on the other side. But one thing that I noticed about these is that because it's one long flexible piece, if you put the front a little bit too tight and the back not too tight, it's gonna be all like a warpy look. So once you put the screws all in, take a look at it. If it looks warpy, just loosen a little bit, you know, like one screw and then tighten another side. You get what I mean? Like adjust it. Let's go ahead and work on the other side. I'll show you how I do that. These things are super flimsy, like look at that. So the way that I put them on is I'm gonna put two screws up here, so I keep this side up, do the same over there, and then just kind of then go down from the back. All right, so I got both screws there and both screws here. So now I'm just gonna, you know, start drilling from the back up. Oh man, are you serious? It's like raining. All right, so they're on, it looks good. Really matches the front now. Pretty good. My favorite part is definitely gonna be the front. Once I put the coils on this thing, it's gonna look sick. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Once I get the coilovers, I'll make an install video, and then I'm gonna get wheels, of course, but it'll come later on when I find the ones I want. Somebody told me about spacers, so I'm gonna probably put spacers on when I lower it so it'll look nice and flush. But that's about it for now. I do have to rewrap the emblem, so you can see it's already folding up. Looks nice from far away, but yep. But yeah, see you guys next time.